Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to change your phone charging sound. If you enjoy this content, make sure to like, subscribe, and let's get started. So first guys, go to App Store and then tap search bar. And the search bar, search for shortcuts. Well, this application guys will help us to change the charging phone sound, okay? Then tap download. Perfect. Now after download it, tap open. And now go to automation here. Perfect. Then tap new automation. And scroll down. And tap charger. Then tap in connected and then tap run immediately. Perfect. Then tap is connected here and tap next. Perfect. Then search for speak text. Okay, if you don't find the speak text here, you can search it here. Okay, then tap speak text and here write any text that you want to speak when your iPhone charging. For example, your iPhone is charging. Perfect. Then tap done. Now let's try the application. Well, I have here the cable of charge. So if we put the cable on iPhone, this is what's gonna happen.
Your iPhone is charging.
Perfect. Now this is how you can change your iPhone charging sound. Now you can easily write any text you want in shortcuts. Just tap here and go here and change the text to any change you want. You can put your name, you can put anything you want. Okay, so that's it guys. Thank you so much for watching me. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and see you to the next video.